Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have in bracket x plus 7 over 2 all raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to the cube root of 8x plus 64, and here we want to solve for the value of x. Now to solve this, solution. So we have in bracket x plus 7 all over 2 all raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to the cube root of 8x plus 64. So now this can be written as in bracket x plus 7 all raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power 3. Then we have minus 1 is equal to the cube root of 8x plus 64. So from here, we have in bracket x plus 7 all raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Then minus 1 is equal to the cube root of 8x plus 64. Now, 1 can be written as over 1, shows that we can then look for the LCM of 8 and 1, which is simply 8. 8 divide 8, 1. 1 times this is simply x plus 7 all raised to power 3, then minus 1 we divide 8, 8. 8 times 1 is 8, which equals the cube root of 8x plus 64. So with this, the next thing we're going to do is to multiply the both sides of the equation with the LCM, which is 8. So 8 multiplied by x plus 7 all raised to power 3 minus 8 over 8 is equal to 8 times the cube root of 8x plus 64. So with this, 8 we divide 8, what we have is in bracket x plus 7 all raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 times the cube root of 8x plus 64. Okay, now at this junction, we have in bracket x plus 7 all raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 times now the cube root of, we can factorize out 8 from here, 8 into bracket x plus 8. Okay, we have in bracket x plus 7 all raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 times the cube root of 8 into bracket x plus. Now we can write this 8. 8 can be written as 7 plus 1. So right here, replace 8 with 7 plus 1. Okay, close bracket. Shows that from here, if you look closely, we have x plus 7 and x plus 7. So we are going to say let x plus 7 equals to a. So that means that in place of x plus 7, we impute a. So right here, here becomes a raised to power 3. Then we have minus 8 is equal to 8 times the cube root of 3. Okay, then we have 8 into bracket. Right here, x plus 7 is a. Then we have plus 1, close brackets. So from here, we have a raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 times the cube root of 8 times a is 8a plus 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, so with this, we are going to say let 8a plus 8 is equal to b cubed. So this right here will be equal to b cubed, such that with this, what we have is a raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 times, so the cube root of 8a plus 8 is said equals to b cubed, so b cubed. Okay, so with this, we have 8 raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 times, so cube cancel cube root, all we have is b. So from here, a raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8 times b is 8b. So we call this equation 1. Okay, now from here, right here that we said let 8a plus 8 equals to b cubed right here. So this can be written in the form of b raised to power 3. Then we move a to this side, we have minus 8, okay, is equal to, we are left with 8a, 8a. So from here, we call this equation 2, okay. So we have equation 2 right here. Equation 2 is b raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8a. Equation 2 right here. You see, b raised to power 3 minus 8 equals to 8a. So with this, we are going to say subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So you subtract equation 1 and equation 2. Now right here, equation 1 that we have is a raised to power 3 minus a. Then we have minus into bracket. Equation 2 is b raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to, equation 1 is 8b, then minus equation 2 is 8a. From here, we have a raised to power 3 minus 8 minus times b raised to power 3 is minus b raised to power 3. Minus times minus is plus. Then we have 8. Okay, so this is equal to 8b minus 8a. With this, minus 8 cancel out plus 8. All we have left is a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is equal to 8b minus 8a. So then, move this over to this side and also move this over to this side, such that this becomes a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3. Then we have, if minus 8a move over, it becomes plus 8a. Same thing also, if 8b moves over, it becomes minus 8b. So it's equal to, here becomes 0. Okay, so with this, we are going to simplify the value of a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3. And this is simply equal to, in bracket, a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Also, factorize out plus 8 from here. We have plus 8 into bracket a minus b. So all is equal to 0. Good. So with this, if you look closely, we have a common factor, which is a minus b, a minus b. So pick one, a minus b, and then put this, okay, we have in bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. Then we have plus 8, okay, all is equal to 0. So from here, we have in brackets a minus b, right? This can be equal to 0, or this one right here, a squared plus ab plus b squared plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, from this first equation that we have a minus b equals to 0, the value of a is equal to, move minus b over to this side, it becomes 0 plus b, such that the value of a is equal to b. Good. Now, from this other equation right here, we have a squared plus ab plus b squared plus 8 equals to 0. Multiply the both sides of the equation with 4. So 4 multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared plus 8 is equal to 0 times 4. From here, 4 times a squared is 4a squared, then plus 4 times ab is 4ab, plus 4 times b squared is 4b squared, plus 4 times 8 is 32, okay, is equal to, right here, is equal to 0 times 4 is 0. So then, move plus 32 over to this side. We have 4a squared plus 4ab plus 4b squared is equal to minus 32. So with this, if you look at 4a squared right here, 4a squared can be written as, in bracket, 2a all squared. 2 squared is 4, a squared is a squared. So we then have plus. Now, this can be written as 2 times 2a times b. Okay, then plus this can be written as b squared plus 3b squared. B squared plus 3b squared will equal 4b squared. So all of this, right, is equal to minus 32. So simplifying this further, if you have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, this equals a plus b all raised to power 2. Now looking at this, we can factorize out a squared plus 2ab plus b squared from this right here. Now, in this case, the value of A is equal to 2A, while the value of B is equal to B, such that what we then have is, in bracket, A is 2A, then plus B is B, then we have plus 3B squared is equal to minus 32. With this, if you add up these two values, you will get a positive value plus this, which also give us a positive value. And if you have plus plus plus, this cannot give us a negative value. So this means that this equation right here is rejected. It cannot work. So going back to our previous equation, which is A equals to B, that the value of A is equal to B. So then we recall that from equation 1. Now the value of equation 1 is right here. Equation 1 right here. Okay, equation 1 is this. A raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8b. This is equation 1. So right there, that we have this. We have a raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8b. So then, inputting the value of a as b, we have a raised to power 3 minus 8 equals to 8 into bracket b is a, so times a. So with this, a raised to power 3 minus 8 is equal to 8a. Move 8a over to this side, we have a raised to power 3, then this becomes minus 8a, then we have minus 8 is equal to 0. So from here, we have a raised to power 3, inputting plus 2a squared and minus 2a squared. You see, if you have plus 2a squared minus 2a squared is equal to 0, and this will not change the actual equation, then we have minus 8a, then minus 8, okay, is equal to 0. From here, we have a raised to power 3 plus 2a squared minus 2a squared. Now, minus 8a can be written as minus 4a minus 4a. This will give us minus 8a. So this becomes minus 4a minus 4a. Then we have minus 8. All is equal to 0. So with this, we can then factorize out a raised to power 2 from this equation. So we have a raised to power 2 into bracket. Here we have a plus, here becomes 2. And also, we can factorize out minus 2 from this. We have minus 2a, factorize out minus 2a from this. We have into bracket, here becomes a. And if we factorize out minus 2a from minus 4a, what we have is plus 2, okay? And also from here, factorize out minus 4 from here, we have minus 4 into bracket, here becomes a, and then plus 2. So with this, all is equal to 0. Now looking at this closely, we have a plus 2, a plus 2, a plus 2, common factor. So pick one, in bracket a plus 2. Then put all of this, a squared minus 2a and minus 4 into another bracket. So in bracket, a squared minus 2a minus 4. Okay, so all is equal to 0. So from this, we have it that a plus 2 is equal to 0, or this a squared minus 2a minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, from this first linear equation, the value of a is equal to 0 minus 2, such that a is equal to minus 2. Okay, good. Or from this other equation, here we have a quadratic equation. So, to solve for the value of a, we'll make use of the quadratic formula, which is given by, with respect to a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case right here, the value of a is equal to, okay, minus b. B is the coefficient of a, which is minus 2. So minus into bracket minus 2, then plus or minus square root. B is minus 2 all squared minus 4 times. The value of a is the coefficient of a squared, which is 1. So 1 times the value of c is minus 4. So all divided by all over 2 times a. The value of a is the coefficient of a squared, which is 1 times 1. So from here, the value of a is equal to minus times minus 2 is plus 2, plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 1 minus 4 times minus 4 plus 16. Then we have it all over 2. So from here, we have this, that a is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 16 is equal to 20 all over 2. So a is equal to 2 plus or minus, we can write this as root 4 times root 5. Root 4 times root 5 is equal to root 20 all over 2. So therefore, a is equal to 2 plus or minus root 4 is 2, then times root 5 all over 2. So with this, the value of a is equal to 2 we divide 2, right? We have 1 plus or minus this 2 we divide this 2, we have root 5. Okay, so don't forget that this value of a is the initial value of a1 equals to minus 2. So we have this, that a1 is equal to minus 2, and we got the other value of a as 1 plus or minus root 5. So right here, the value of a is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5. So with this, a2 is equal to 1 plus root 5. Then a3 is equal to 1 minus root 5. To then solve for the value of x, recall that from here, right here, that let x plus 7 equals to a. So we suppose that x plus 7 is equal to a. So for the first value of a, which equals minus 2, and putting the value of a as minus 2 in this equation, so x plus 7 is equal to a becomes minus 2. So from here, the value of x is equal to minus 2. Move plus 7 over to this side, it becomes minus 7, such that the value of x is equal to minus 9. So this is the first value of x. So from the second value of a, which equals 1 plus root 5, let us then solve for the value of x. So right here, that x plus 7 is equal to a2 is 1 plus root 5, so 1 plus root 5. So right here, x is equal to, move plus 7 over to this side, we have 1 minus 7, then plus root 5. Shows that with this, the value of x is equal to 1 minus 7 is minus 6 plus root 5. And this is the second value of x. Okay, good. Now for the third value of a, which equals 1 minus root 5, and we put the value of a into this equation, we have it as x plus 7 equals to a. So x plus 7 is equal to a3 is 1 minus root 5. Move plus 7 over to this side. X is then equal to 1, then minus 7 minus root 5. So from here, the value of x is equal to 1 minus 7 is minus 6 minus root 5. With this, we have gotten the third value of x. Okay, now we have the first value, the second value, and the third value of x. So with this, we have solved the equation. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.